When creating a Google slide, you're going to be opening the app, of course, and at the bottom where you hit the plus sign, you have two options: choose template or new presentation. Choose template allows you to create different things for different purposes, like science project, lesson plan, blah, blah, blah. More than likely, though, you're just going to do new presentation. When it opens, it's going to ask you to name it, and then it's going to go ahead and open it for you. In order to add new slides, you're going to select down in the bottom right-hand corner the slide shape with the plus sign, and that's going to give you different layouts of slides. Remember, different layouts have different purposes. So your title slide is obviously going to be for the title of the project. Section headers help to break information apart. Title and body is where you're usually going to have just information with whatever section you're talking about. You can have a title in two columns if you're going to be talking about two different things, like comparing them. Title only if you want to put a picture in or a graph or something like that. One column text, again, if you're laying out information about like a graph. Main point if you have something really important you want your audience to understand. Section title and description, that's if you have multiple sections that need explanation. Caption, which is also good for pictures. Big number, which is again a main point you want your audience to understand, and a simple blank slide. So once you have selected that, you're going to go ahead up to the triple dots in the top right corner, and you're going to be able to hit change theme. And in change theme, you'll be able to select the different color layouts that you have available in Google Slides. And that's really all that the Google Slides on the iPad offer. They don't have the transition or animation options. If you want to do any of that stuff, you have to actually access it on a computer.